we will solve another problem from Chapter 2, Principles of Hydrostatics. Based on the figure shown, determine the static pressure in kilopascal in the air chamber. First, we will analyze the given figure and determine the given value. We have the height of the water is equal to 1.2 meter, of oil 2.4 meter, and the specific gravity of oil is equal to 0.68. Where did the 1.2 come from? If we look at the diagram, the height of the water on the left side is equal to 5.4 meter, while on the right side it is 4.2 meter, which have a difference of 1.2 meter. Since our P1 is equals to 0, solve for P2. P2 is equals to the specific weight of water times the height of water. Specific weight of water is just equal to the density of water, which is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter, times the acceleration due to gravity of 9.81 meter per second squared, times the height, which is 1.2 meter. Applying these two, we can get 9,810 kilogram times meter per cubic meter times second squared times the height, which is 1.2 meter. Now P2 is equal to 11,772 kilogram per meter times second squared. Meter times meter is equal to meter squared. Meter squared, when we subtract to meter cube, will become meter. So, kilogram per meter times second squared is just equal to Pascal. 11,772 Pascal divided by 1,000 to become kilopascal, we will have now P2 is equal to 11.772 kilopascal. We now have the value of P2. We will now solve for the value of P3. P3, guys, is the surface of the oil. Thus, based on our diagram, the height of oil is 2.4 meter, and the height of water beside the oil in this part is equals to 1.2 meter, which is equals also to the height of the air, 1.2 meter. Therefore, the pressure in the air is just equal to the pressure at the surface of the oil. Using our equation P2 minus P3 is equal to specific weight of oil times the height of oil, we can now have 11.772 minus P3 is equal to 9.81 times the specific gravity 0.68 times the height of 2.4. Now, P3 is equals to negative 4.238 kilopascal. I hope you learned something from us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated for our next video.